this is the Ecover Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I was looking for a toilet bowl cleaner that was going to be safe for our septic tank and also non-toxic without all the added chemicals, so that it would also be safe for our septic tank. And this is the one that I found. So I've been using this for about a month and I actually really like it. So the smell of it is like pine sol, which I don't mind because it makes me feel like a kid. But if you don't like the smell of pine sol, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. So if you see right here that it has just your regular spout, and if you can see, let me show you into my toilet, which is kind of weird. So as you can see, if you pour it in and go around the edges, it has a nice, I'm kind of extra pouring so you can see, it has a nice thickness to it. That way, you know, if you want to scrub your toilet or whatever, it doesn't like instantly go into the water and you have to like race to find your scrubber. It has, like I said, it has a nice thickness to it, and it also gets the hard water ring around the edge of the water off really easily, which was what I was looking for because our water here is really bad. But all in all, I have found that this is potent. It works. And I was having a hard time finding that with a lot of the more natural products. But I would definitely check this out if you're looking for something on the more natural side and you also need something that's going to be septic safe. This actually works and I have very much enjoyed it.